Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a small trick on how you can share your laptop screen or mirror your laptop desktop screen to your TCL Android TV. This video is specifically for TCL Android TV with a built-in Chromecast. So there are two different type of TVs in TCL. There is a smart TV and there is an Android TV. Smart TV is different because it has a different operating system, and this video only is for the Android TV. In the TCL Smart TV, you have a separate app, which maybe I will cover in another video, where you can go into the settings and you can turn on the setting, or you may be having an app for wireless display, which when you turn it on, then you can simply find your TV on your laptop when you go to the wireless networks, or when you go on a wireless display setting, and then you can just connect to it. But for a TCL Android TV, I couldn't find any such option, and I tried to do Google search, I tried looking on YouTube, I gone through many videos, but I didn't find any such thing. And then finally, after doing quite a bit of research, I find the solution. So I thought of sharing with all you guys, and I just think it would be helpful for you. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, this is my TCL Android TV. This is booting up. So as you can see on the startup, it says Android, which means that it's an Android TV with Google Chromecast built in, and it's not a smart TV with a different operating system. So this trick is only for this TV. So let's show you. So let's say I go to the main menu where you have all the apps. I was just trying to look into the apps. I couldn't see anything, and I even tried looking into the settings and in the Android settings, but I can't see anything. There are different apps available on Google App Store, but I don't find them very useful, and some of them are even not free. There are paid versions, and I'm not sure how well they work. So now I'll show you the trick quickly, and I think it should work perfectly for you. So I have my laptop here. It's a Toshiba laptop with a Windows 10 installed on it. So guys, that's the laptop. Now I'll open a Google Chrome window, and I'll type youtube.com. Okay, so now YouTube is opening up. So guys, one thing to remember here, my laptop and my TV are on the same wireless network. So that's very important that both of them are connected into the same Wi-Fi. So let's say I open this one. Now I go on this option. You can see here, play on TV. Even if the video is loading, that's fine. You can still do that. When you click on it, there is another pop-up which comes up, which says cast on youtube.com. Now you have to first go to this thing called sources, and then select cast desktop, and then choose, like my TV is Android TV, so I'll choose from this list. Okay, then it shows the option what you want to cast. So I'll select the whole desktop and I'll click on share. Boom! So now you can see my whole screen with the YouTube is coming on my TCL TV. Now I will minimize this tab, and my whole desktop is coming up on the TV now. The trick is you don't close this browser tab or this browser. Okay, if you close it, then the casting will stop, because I think this this screen sharing is being done through Google, so you don't have to close this. And other than that, whatever you do on this, I open this VLC media player, whatever operation you will do on the laptop, you play a movie or whatsoever, it will simply come on the big screen, and you don't need any HDMI to connect, or you don't need anything. You can just do it wirelessly. So I think guys, this was one simple trick. I'm sure it would be really helpful for you, because I tried looking for it. I spent a bit of time looking for this solution, and going through the different apps was really frustrating for me. So I hope this really works for you. And so guys, I hope this video is really helpful for you, and you really enjoyed the video. um, so I'm a new creator on YouTube. If you really like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments behind. If you think anything could have been done better here, I really appreciate your comments and feedback. Have a good day.